Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix iPhone overheating after the new iOS 17 update. So if you are experiencing this so-called overheating problem that most iPhone users are experiencing right now, as soon as they update to iOS 17, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to fix this problem step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So this gonna be a quick and easy effects, guys, because as of today, as I speak on Friday, October the 13th, so it is actually ready of the 13th date. So, well, I guess that's bad luck, but good luck for us, since we have a new update for our iOS softwares. And as you see, once you tap on your settings, and tap on this software update available, you could also locate that under your general tab and tap on iPhone update, which is gonna be right here, a software update. You could actually see that we have a new update available as of now, which is the new iOS 17.0.3, and under its description, it does say that, it does also addresses an issue that may cause iPhone to run warmer than expected, and that just means this update does address the issue of our iPhone overheating. So in order for us to solve this problem, we just need to go ahead and update to this latest version so that this problem will be fixed. That's all for this video, guys. Just go ahead and tap on update now, and that should solve your issue. Thank always for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.